Hello my dear children, this is class 12th chapter going on chemical kinetics. This is your part 2 of the chapter. So in chemical kinetics what we studied, chemical kinetics is a branch of the chemistry which deals with the study of the rate of the reaction. Here we will study the moderate reactions, not very slow, not very fast, right? So after that we taken there are two types of rates, average rate, instantaneous rate, which rate is preferred, how to calculate average rate, how to calculate instantaneous rate, the formula of the rate of disappearance of reactant and rate of appearance of the product simultaneously. Now today's topic is very interesting, it is second topic, rate law. Rate law. Your rate law almost match with the law of mass section that you studied in class 11th. So I will take both of the laws parallelly. Now I am taking rate law first. Rate law, according to rate law, statement is almost same. According to, I am taking one of the reaction, common reaction I am taking. You can write the reaction is A arrow product. A plus B. You can write A plus B arrow product. Right. Now according to rate law, the rate of the reaction, according to law of mass section, the rate of the reaction, both are directly proportional to the product of the molar concentration of reactant. According both the laws, theory same, that rate of the reaction is directly proportional to the product of the concentration of the reactants. These are two reactants. I am writing in very clear way. A plus B. This is my moles A and B. Okay. Now according to rate law, the rate of the reaction is directly proportional to the product of the molar concentration of the reactant with each concentration term raised to power equal to the number of moles of reactant in slowest occasion. And according to law of mass section, it is according to law of mass section, the rate of the reaction, it is equal to the number of moles of the reactant present in the occasion A and B. I am writing A and B here, I am writing X and Y here. Now understand. Now there are two laws. The one is a rate law, second is law of mass section. One by one I am taking, very slow manner. What law of mass section said? According to law of mass section that you have studied in chapter chemical equilibrium in class 11th, the rate of the reaction, you can take first law of mass section, is directly proportional to the product of molar concentration of the reactants. These are A and B. With each concentration term raised to power equal to the number of moles present. Here your A and B, so raised to power AB. So this is law of mass section. But rate law, this is a new law for you. Today we will discuss only rate law. And according to rate law, now you have seen I have written XY. Now the question is where XY? On the blackboard there is not, where there is a XY. So where are XY? This is only A and B. Now where are XY? Today I will tell you about X and Y. So I am writing just X and Y. I am writing the according to rate law, the rate of the reaction is directly proportional to the product of the molar concentration of the reactant with each concentration term raised to power equal to the number of moles of the reactant present in the slowest occasion. Now the question today is what is meant by slowest? Where the slowest occasion is? I think the first line is clear. That is my first line of today's lecture. That is the difference between rate law and the law of mass section. A and B given, A and B power. Very simple. But the question is X and Y. What are X and Y? From where they have come? X and Y. So to explain my words X and Y, I am taking another topic, that is complex reaction. Write down. We will sooner come to X and Y here, but before that Write down complex occasions. Complex occasions. Now student, what is meant by complex occasions? In this today your topic will carry number of topics, small. Complex occasions, elementary occasion. What is the base of this chapter? It's molecularity. We will take the term molecularity, order of reaction, mechanism. So one by one I will take all this topic, what is complex, what is elementary, what is molecularity, what is order, what is mechanism, and when mechanism will get over, your topic will get clear X and Y. That is slowest occasion. Now first, what is a complex occasion? Complex occasion is that which takes place in number of steps. Number of steps. And whose molecularity is first which takes place in number of steps. We will start with the number of steps, and these number of steps I will explain you in the topic mechanism. In the mechanism I will teach you how to make number of steps. Okay? So complex reaction is written in number of steps, and this is called mechanism. So what is a mechanism? When the reaction is written in a number of steps, and this is a detailed process of a reaction. Now second is, what is a complex reaction? Whose molecularity is more than 2. 2 or more than 2. Whose molecularity is more than 2 or 2 is complex reaction. The reaction, now I'm taking one of the reaction. For example, my reaction is 4A plus 5B arrow product. This is my one reaction. I'm taking one reaction, 4A plus 5B arrow product. Question is, how many reactants are there? 4 and 5, 9. 9 moles of reactant are there. This means 9 moles of reactant are reacting at one time. This is wrong. The reaction shows the molecularity. What is the molecularity? Molecularity is the number of the moles of the reactant reacting at one time. I think our 3 concepts are clear. Complex reaction, which takes place in number of steps. We will take these steps sooner. Whose molecularity is 2 or more than 2. What is molecularity? You can see there are 9 moles. This is molecularity, 9 molecularity it is. How many? What is molecularity? Number of reacting species. You can write number of reacting species. Species may be atoms, may be ions, may be molecules. What is the mechanism? Detailed process, detailed form, detailed steps of a reaction is the mechanism. Now, molecularity can never be 9, 11, 12, that is more than 2. It looks, now you can see it looks, your 9 moles of reactants are reacting, but it is totally wrong. It looks, it seems 9 moles of reactant are reacting at one time. It never happened. Question is why? I am taking this point by taking one example. Now 2 topics left, elementary and order we will take sooner. Like on a road, I am taking one road accident. If on a road you see accident between 2 vehicles, there are 2 vehicles colliding. When these 2 vehicles are colliding, you can see lot of area in contact in between. When 2 vehicles are colliding, accidents of the 2 vehicles are there, then there is a great loss. There is a great loss. Why a great loss? Then the accident, then the collision of 3 vehicles. Now 3 vehicles are there. Now you can see there are 3 vehicles. If 3 vehicles are there, you can see area of contact decreases. If there are 4 vehicles, area of contact decreases. More the number of vehicles colliding at one time, lesser the area of contact. Lesser the area of contact, lesser the rate of the reaction. The accident is more severe. when the two vehicles in front of, you can see minutely, there are two cars, that these are two cars, they are colliding, that is in front of these two cars when they are colliding, area of contact is more, and such type of accident is rare than such type of accident. Here the area of the contact between the vehicles is less. In the similar case, same case, when two reactants are reacting, then the area of contact is more the collisions, faster the rate of reaction. Always write, rate of the reaction is directly proportional to the number of collisions. More the number of collisions, faster the rate of reactions. So if 9 moles of the reactants are reacting at one time, you can think of 9 vehicles are colliding on a road at one time. What will happen? Just a small accident will take place, not a great damage when there is 9 vehicles are colliding at one time on the road. In the same case happen in case of chemical occasion. That means this reaction seems taking place with the 9 moles of reacting, but actually it does not. This reaction takes place in steps. It seems it taking place in one step, but no, reaction takes place in a number of steps. And these number of each step of the reaction is called elementary. Each step of the reaction is called elementary. Okay, and what is the order? I will tell you what order. I am taking one of the example first. I am taking one of the chemistry, that is occasion. Its occasion is 2NO2 plus F2 arrow 2NO2F. Now I am taking in detail. This is my occasion. Now what is the molecularity? 3, 2 and 1, 3. 3 molecularity it is. And molecularity can never be more than 2. Why? Because same that I told you just now about the accidents of the vehicles. 3 moles, 3 reactant when collide at one time, then the area of contact will be less, collisions will be less, rate of reaction will be slow. That's the reason this reaction, you can call this reaction a complex reaction. This is a complex reaction. Now I am going to write the mechanism. Now how to make mechanism of the reaction? I am taking only one of the NO2 and other one. One reactant, other one reactant. And your product is just one, NO2F. Only one product. No stoichiometry written here. NO2 F2 1 and one product. You will see one fluorine left behind. You can balance it, NO2, F2 and F. You write your single F. And this step is slow. Now you add this F fluorine atom in another occasion, the second step. What left now? You have one NO2 left. It will get added up. Your answer will come NO2F, and that step will be the fast. No need to add it. If you will add, what will cancel? This F will cancel. This your answer will come 2NO2 after addition. No need to add in the exams, just to write slow and fast. And 2NO2 plus F2 arrow 2NO2F. This is the overall occasion. This is slow occasion. This is fast occasion. Now, according to rate law, the rate of the reaction, now X and Y is coming. Listen to me now. According to rate law, the rate of the reaction is directly proportional to the molar concentration product of the reactant with each concentration term raised to power. Now, what is meant by raised to power according to rate law? Raised to power equal to the number of moles of the reactant present in the slow occasion. It's 1 and 1. Right? 1 and 1. It is XY. But This is, you can write, this is called the first time you are taking, write down according to rate law, you have written this rate. Now according to law of mass section, R proportional to NO2, F2, but it is your 2. Now you can see 2, it's overall, it's 2 and it is 1. This is according to law of mass section. Law of mass section. Now I think it's clear, but even then it will take approximately 10 minutes to get totally clarified the topic. I am taking again, you can see this is overall equation. In the overall equation, your moles of the NO2 is 2 and moles of F2 is 1. This is overall equation, and law of mass section uses overall. R proportional to NO2 power 2 and power 1. But according to rate law, it never depend upon overall, it always depend upon the slowest. The question is why? Why? And remember students, rate law is the actual rate and it is a true rate. Law of mass section is not the true rate. Now question is why? Rate law tell us the actual rate of reaction. Now I am taking one example. This is my mechanism. I am taking first of all example. So write down one of the example along with me. I am taking one of relay race. I am taking example of relay race. You all know what is meant by relay race. In relay race, there are 4 players. Chances to win the competition depend upon the what? Now you can see, this is your player 1. This is your player relay race. 4 students in one team, second, and this third player of the one team is the 4th player. This player 1 is very much fast, very fast player it is, very fast. It gives baton to player 2, very fast. Player 2 is fast. Player 3 is fast. All the 3 players, front players 3 are fast. But the 4th player is very slow. So the game, that is game when get over, this team where the 4th player was very slow, so the chances to win the competition, total credit, total depend upon the slowest person. That is, this team loses the match, that is loses the game. Why? Because the 4th player is slow. That means the energy of these 3 players get wasted because the 4th player is slow. These are the chances to win the relay race competition depend upon the slowest person. If any of the player is slow in your team, you will lose the match, you will lose the game. Now I am taking second example. I am taking one more example so that you came to know what is meant by the slowest part. I am taking one more example. I am taking. Now let you have gone to, for tracking purpose, you have gone complete class. Your complete class go to a picnic, that's for trekking purpose. Trekking. Total your class students, they are very much fast. All students are very fast. Let it say 30 students in your batch, that is in your picnic, 30 students, your 29 students are very fast. They tracked very fastly. But your one student, your one mate is very slow. So the chances, the time to reach the destination, that is your home, totally depend upon you. Not fast trekking, depend upon you reach to your home very late. Why? Everyone said late, why you are late, and what is your answer? That your one of the mate was very slow. Your 29 students were very fast, but no way, because one of your mate was very slow. So you reached your home, you reached your destination, you reached the town, that is very late. Why? The blame, total blame to this slowest student. This means the rate of the reaction always depend upon the slowest step. So always remember, slowest step is the rate determining step. Slowest step is the rate determining step. You can see this is the first occasion where F atom is coming out very slowly. This fast step has to wait for the slowest. Like your 29 students waited for the 30th that you made. Very slow student, you wait for this student. This is the reason always your total time to complete the reaction depend upon the slowest step. Slowest step is the rate determining step. And what is order? These powers. These powers are the orders. I think now everything is clear. Now I'm taking few examples so that each and every topic get clarified in a very simple way. So now what is rate law? According to rate law, the rate of the reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of the reactant, with each concentration term raised to power equal to the number of moles of the reactant present in the slowest occasion. And remember student, slowest step is the rate determining step. Rate law is the actual rate of reaction. Now what is a complex reaction? Whose molecularity is 2 or more than 2. When the molecularity is greater than 2, the reaction is very slow. Why? Tell me. When the molecularity is greater than 2, the reaction is very slow. It is the same as happened on the roads accident. When accident occurs between the two vehicles, is a great loss. When accident takes place between more than two vehicles, the area of contact is less. That is, collision chances are less damage is there. More damage when two vehicles colliding in front, very much. That is, so that same thing happened here. In reaction, it seems molecularity is 2, molecularity is 3, molecularity is 4, 5, but it never. Molecularity never be more than 2. Such reactions are called complex reaction, and complex reactions are always written in steps, and these steps are called elementary reaction. Okay, now what is order? Order is a power. It's a power. You can take the sum of the powers. Now I'm taking few examples again. Write down mechanism, make a heading, mechanism of the reactions. Now I'm taking few mechanisms. Mechanism of the reaction. First is 2N2O5 arrow 4NO2 plus oxygen. It is given. This is your question. Write down mechanism, slowest step, order, molecularity. R proportional, K is a rate constant, R is equal to K and 2O5. This is your question, and they are asking, write the mechanism, what is the order, what is the units, many of the things may come. Now this is your overall occasion, this is your rate occasion. This is written by the help of rate law. Okay, now you will take the help of this. This is written from the slowest step. So you're now taking the mechanism, slowest step, rate law. You will take just N25 arrow. Just only one product will come out, not 4. NO2, only one product will come out. Rest depend upon what left. Now what left? Out of N2, 1 N gone, 1 N left. O5, 2O gone, 3 left. A new thing generated, NO3. So this step is slow. Alright, it's a slow step. Slow step. Now fast step. One more N2O5. You can see overall. One more N2O5. NO3 get added up here. Now what left? 4 NO2. 1 NO2 there. 3 NO2 more. And plus oxygen. You can check. This is the fast step. You can check in fast occasion, in the product side, everything will come. Everything you will have to write that is present in the overall. You can see reaction is balanced or not, second occasion especially. It's 3 nitrogen, 3 nitrogen, 8 oxygen, 8 oxygen. Reaction is fast. Now, a fast step has to wait for the slowest step. The first NO3 release is very slow, but in the fast step, it has waited for the NO3. The time to liberate NO3 is very slow, but the fast step has to wait for the slowest step. That's the reason slowest step is the rate determining step. Now, question is, many of the question may ask this is mechanism. Now, question is, what is the order? Order is 1. Order is always calculated from the rate occasion. Order is 1. Molecularity of the complex reaction has no meaning. If anybody asks you what is molecularity, you will never say 2. Never say 2. You will say molecular. Each reaction has its own molecularity. This reaction has molecularity 1. This reaction has molecularity 2. This is molecularity. Okay? Molecularity of the complex reaction has no meaning at all. So this is all about your what is a complex reaction. I'm taking more and more. There are more reactions. Write down. It is your. I'm taking one of the reaction. Or you can. There is one reaction is given 5Br minus plus this is your NCERT equation plus BrO3 minus plus 6H plus arrow product. If anybody asks you what is the molecularity, molecularity is 5, 1, 6 and 6, 12. If you will say molecularity is 12, it is wrong. It is wrong. Why? Because it is complex reaction. Molecularity of the complex reaction has no meaning. Not at all. Molecularity can never be greater than 2. Why? Accident. You can in your brain remind the word accident, road accident. What happened when the accident takes place of greater than 2 vehicles, greater than 3 vehicles, 4 vehicles, greater than 4 extra. Now I am taking one of the occasion, that is an NCERT equation. Again, with the mechanism, write down 2H2O2, 2H2O2, arrow 2 water plus oxygen. Catalyst is I minus iodide ion. It's given R is equal to K, H2O2 and I minus. Question is write mechanism. Now this is your overall equation and this is your rate equation. Rate equation is always written from the slowest step. So we have taken the idea of the slowest step reactant. H2O2 plus I minus. Up to that there is a question. H2 hint have been taken from this. This is the hint, the slowest occasion reactant. We have copied the slowest occasion reactant from the rate occasion and pasted here. Copied and pasted. Okay. H2O2 plus I minus. Now take out one of the product only, water. Only one product. And what left now? What left? Just oxygen left, iodine left and negative part left. IO minus. IO minus. Hypoiodide ion, make it the slowest occasion. It's a slow occasion. Now you will add this slowest new part, new intermediate to what left in the overall now. 2H2O2, there is a 1H2O2, 1H2O2 more. Arrow. Now what is in the overall? 2 water, just 1 water there, 1 water more. Oxygen there is no oxygen, 1 oxygen more. 1 oxygen and now what left? H2, 3 oxygen, I left, I minus. Catalyst regenerated. This is fast occasion. Now when you will add these two occasions, this IO minus cancel, your I minus catalyst cancel, and what is the overall occasion? 2H2O2, arrow 2 water plus oxygen. So now what is the order? What is order? Order is always calculated from the rate occasion. 1 and 1. Order is 2. 1 plus 1. Sum of the powers. And what is the molecularity? Molecularity of each reaction. This reaction has molecularity 2. This reaction has molecularity 2. Molecularity of the complex reaction has no meaning. So in this way I will give you for practice. So a lot of mechanisms are there in your NCERT. Now I am taking next topic is rate constant. Rate constant. R proportional to, according to rate law, rate of reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of the reactant, with each concentration term raised to power equal to the number of moles of the reactant present in the slowest one. Okay, now after removing proportion, it's a K, R is equal to K, concentration power N, and K is a rate constant. K is equal to R divided by concentration power N. R is, what is R? I told you in my first lecture, R is concentration by time into concentration power N. Now simplify it. Your K is concentration 2 times repeated. Let it make 1 time. K is concentration power 1 minus N. 1 minus N per time. Or K is concentration 1 minus N, unit of time is SI unit second. So this is the way you can calculate the units of K. Very simple. In place of concentration you may use the word mole per liter, capital M, mole per liter. Now I am taking this formula, and by taking this formula I am calculating the units. Now question is, what is the unit of first order reaction? What is the unit of second order reaction? Third order reaction? What is the unit? The moment this type of question comes, you apply the formula K is equal to mole per liter. You can write either this, mole per liter power 1 minus N per second. Take the help of this formula. First order, you put N is 1, second order N is 2, third order N is 3. If you put N is 1, 1 minus 1, 0, and this total become 1, your answer is per second. Now second order, 1 minus 2 minus 1, your answer is per mole liter per second. Now third order, 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 minus 2, your answer is mole minus 2 liter square per second. Now students, order can be 0 also, but molecularity can never be 0. Write down 0 order. 0 order. What is the unit of the rate constant of the 0 order? Your same formula, it's mole per liter power 1 minus N, N is 0. Your answer is mole per liter per second. In this way, you can utilize very, very important formula. K is the mole per liter power 1 minus N per second. You can calculate the units of any type of order. Remember student, order can be 0, second difference, but molecularity can never be 0. If the molecularity is 0, then in your hands there is no reactant. How can you start the reaction? So what is the molecularity? It's the number of the reacting species. Molecularity can never be 0. Molecularity can never be in fraction. But order can be 0 and order can be in fraction. Two differences were taken about molecularity and order. Now whenever the question comes regarding gases reactant, you may use the term atmosphere or bar here. Atmosphere 1 minus N per second. If your reactants are gas, then you will put here not mole per liter, you will put here atmosphere or bar. right? So this is a way you can calculate the units of the K. Now, all about this is your units of the rate constant. Now, I think everything is clear. What is rate law, molecularity, order, mechanism, and units of the rate constant. Now, one or two questions I am taking. You can write along with me. You can write question. Many of the general question comes. Rate of a reaction increases 27 times. Write down, rate of the reaction increases 27 times if concentration of X is increased 3 times. Question asking is, what is the order? Reaction is 2x arrow x2. Reaction is 2x arrow x2. The question is, what is the order? Okay, now I'm going to start answer. It is R is equal to K x power 2. The rate of the reaction become 27 times 27 R is equal to K when the concentration increased 3 times, 3x power 2. It was R, now it is 27 R. The reaction rate increases 27 times when the concentration increases 3 times. Divide these two equations. When you will divide, R cancel, your answer will come 27 is equal to K cancel, X cancel, it is 3 square. So this is a way you can write, you can write not square because they are asking the order. You can write X, the question is what is the order? You can write X and X, small letter X. So you write 3X, X. Okay, again listen. Question is what is the order? So you will suppose order is X. 27 times increases, 3 times concentration increases. X cancel, what left? 3 power X. Now 27 is equal to 3 power X. Now apply 3 power 3 is 3 power X. Your answer is X is equal to 3. So your answer is third order reaction. Question completed. Third order reaction. This is all about today's lecture. Next questions of this topic we will take in the next lecture. Thank you.